Abusia Obadwen banyansafo me no bedi nkomo bi na matwe wadwene esi bibi so e won sensem a ekokokoso ni ne e wotititi ene ne ehu e wo social media Facebook yi obi asem de e beto ho a menua eno na yenso ye fa bia yesu timi ne abusua bi ba ko mienu bi edi ho nkomo na ye kire ya adwene e de e fa ho abusua se minya kwanya sei na me be kire ma adwene a eno nkire se me anochi minim nyansa seno ana minim bibia seno akonya na aba bedawa me so me kire ma adwene afa ne ekoso ne ne yati minim se eden a wo so uti ufie no utie mi a wo hemi wo so wo be kire wa adwene. Sometimes we disagree to agree. Eti adwene eni ba akofo trim eti nyame nko na adwene ni nyansa kutame ebi su kutaw ebi so wo so side obi aso ne adwene da ne trim ebi die ku bi adwene ebi die tutobi ebi die momone obi a ne adwene a eda ne trim adwene kire we disagree to agree. Eti me yeni pay de me kasa na se sometimes me fomo a menua ena me di kan no na wo de ache because we disagree to agree. Na emu emfa abufuo emfa otan enhwe me enye sa de meka bia ni wa wo betemase to bo ase relax ni yeni nkomo ni ehwe ni ye wo behwe mfoni na eda me nchen no a Miss Bell ene Effiacious nigga ena abrantia nana tornado enso ebeka ho yebedi sa nkomo ni nyina na before yebedi nkomo no yebe start free sensen bebri because omo ntokwa no ayen ntokwa no tin ewa ukase wo chirichiri mu ebeche because if you want to start from the beginning bro mudi agro no a besim pempenso iso a ewa de mum yebe summarize asem de ho nkomo yi. Initially Effiacious nigga nyu bia anka me support to asem bia obeka bia because me hu ne se na adwene ne enyi stable untime enkodi NDC fu achi saa and all of a sudden wo me sohye ma MPP me kan che me say because of free SHS intino entina wo yesa na wo be yesa propaganda no intine honde anka me no I don't agree with her because me penipa bia na adwene ye the streets me peni nipa na adwene ntawantawa de be chimbu hu ana wo say kekenkansi mu no fofo na emu masem we dey sim say she's been on a comfortable leader. So metena se na me her stories na from both side na I think say Effiacious nigga a fa baby no oya dey edibem because see the situation is it here no ye nyina ye ne ano yankofo adi agro obia na obetimi aka chem se woni ne yonku bi ni ahura omunya problem da ena obia so na obetimi aka chem se woni na damfo bi enya misunderstanding da omuni di omu atem enya mistake da everybody I be pain na emu ye nyina yesua bibie dey ifri ho na over here nsem na start here na to me side and the way I view adena I think say Effiacious nigga echo yes some interview bi no mu din komo bi about some certain issues or so many stories be and then he came across a Miss Bell assembly bem and me be ka say oh you say wo say Miss Bell agi wukunu ni ade sa time na wo ware o South Africa no kwa na wonya nware na woje no ni ade e ma be ma bi su bi shim se ne din de maletu se daletu se din man din su bi shimu nti mo Effiacious nigga de initially se me hwe interview no ni nsem na wo kana mi kotu na asem no a wono pese o kire se Miss Bell ani tornado mu de o ma yemura nti ne on pese wo cleaning ni fie inti on pese wo di nwura biem ebeba ni fie inti na nka ono ankasa de nka ne pemu di a sa nkrofo wonye na adwen se one omo beka obeka o masem kura biem ana obedi omo nkom one omo agudi no watwem na emu mesan se wodi ni die be mani pa na o hosti ni nti no obeyi na no na wode niam bi so ayde approve e wone phone so a kire eniam a ye Miss Bell send ya obepa na che onyina ene je on so keka ansem chichiri mu se tum se Miss Bell one no ho nya na che se Miss Bell edit se ne boy bi den utim se Miss Bell fa ho ne ade ekowi achi utim se Miss Bell so be yi ano be kan se enye sa na tie na emumu no Bema no ono no mpe bema no kro nye ne type bema no kro we young guy bi out say onye ne class ne ade nju ono kwa no anye na adwe se boy no kro bi date no na emu mafia no a boy na na be ya no be keka kire se ono boy no mallet ne se de ndien ade ntina wo ne Effiacious nigga nam ebi mo se Effiacious nigga anye papa ntino Miss Bell mum na e papa ntinko on switching come Miss Bell which means a Miss Bell de na nkotini baby but aha no mistake bi wa eno ntina me ka se Effia e wo comfortable lead no se Effiacious nigga ka se Miss Bell edit ne boyfriend e true why because ekwan a boy ne fa so be convince wo no wo na wo be ma be ma ne kwan oba se ompew na se onye na adwen se obema okwan wo na brabo ma believe me opa can the whole story of your life chen wiasim bibia ompe enye ne fe ba so oba ne ma wo chance dia e na wo be ma no ko rattle ofre obi ofon so no opekia na wutimi ka wa adwen a kire no na ofre na se wa ampekia enzembe na wo koka etise be ma ne be bo prum na wo bie pro ne mano a ene wotimi be ka na adwen a kire wa mo betimi aye bibi eno kwanye ni nyina na wo betimi aka ato enti ne chese opeso o kire se ekwan efo aso a wo ne be ma ne di nkomo mu ye de kosi ho anwan ni nyina ompati de emum ne be ma ne di udi ti which means say now wo we ne boyfriend e won chen so still not that so ye de ene won ante which was wrong in that side ba wo be hwa Miss Bell na akesa no uni tracing sensem ba ye no amanfo bi de o ma no betu mu be ka se o da bi na tracy anya ade na tracy be kika nsem pi ni ade ba Miss Bell wo afiasuas nigga be ka wa asem no save imponi die kwa so kra na wo be try se wo be explaining in a good way kra ma na to ni paso ma na wo kofa abrantie na tornado se na tornado so metina ho no metwa mo afia abra afia so mo tornado din afia mo tornado din wo ba bia nka na tornado din wo ba bia ni wa wabodi din nenso kofa ne ma ne be ka bi ma ne be din na tembe twabon enti ma se tornado kasa no Miss Bell you are not aware you people have sat down and talked before we so camera no because niama na ekon e bro so ntino e se tornado ni be yi ano na tornado so be kan se mu odu ene nsem obedu no ko se koduru ba bi kura se matese se e prophet bedu ko bi so utim se ba bi akwa akodu no utim se wasiu no se wa twa no de se wode na kokko to so wode na maloyo se de ande because se tornado so be kan se e fiashwas nigga e ka kire o no tornado se China fu bi se oni kramai enkoda no onye $5,000 so se $13,000 so say owie no so no afiashwas nigga no be ka kire ne se beduku bi titis kama ni di because beduku bi ema ono afiashwas nigga sika ema no kudidi wo su be mpate which was out of board because in semana tornado kano and in semana Miss Bell ni afiashwas nigga a deal this is out. Se fiashwas nigga se Miss Bell haba beje ne boy ana wa dating ne boy pen e den na wo kofa so ne krama da so fofo maniska e no fa story na de be shame no because enya asem no se de ne tie na wo ka no wo ka no in different way which if here is right because in some na wo ka na just say you've always repeated so ne krama da so fofo maniska ya te sa de na bre on se tornado na mpukura wo ka sa wo se amanfo atage wo se uyi trumutu uyi gay ni ade nti what ya brain nti okura waje ato ho so nti ni gay celebrities on top no na other top waje ato ho so say afia de na you keep on repeating on krama da na why say na ho den you keep on repeating those things tambia what do you also expect ya no so ya te abre nti na ye no mfa nti I was expecting Miss Bell to tell Tornado to stop because enye no ho asem na mo beka. And you guys have a good friendship. I mean, I don't have anything wrong with that. But you guys were kissing and all those kind of stuff, which is wrong. What do I say? Obi a bit me criticizing on the things that you guys were doing. How would we know? Say after was Krabi Awone Tornado, something else will go on. Nobody knows. What do I say? Idea when you so na no ni pio de wo hum na ni pie ni so. So what do I say? Enti no hwe nsem na afia Schwarzenegger ne de e Canada. She's on a comfortable lead. Afresh assembly Miss Bell bekaya. Achire ma adwene kakra. Miss Bell person chire say assembly bebe bi afia Schwarzenegger take advantage edidi natem. E ka assembly tia no egu ne ho fi. Enti on de ode akwa ma mpanyimfo bi. Enye mrahye beduafo no omoye nyuma na lawyers ne mpanyimfo no na emum your traditional lawyer bia. Or Jamestown will say, besides, say, or some traditional gang for penyumphobia traditionally almost do money almost dimra kwan so person is economy. Into the nasa makwakuja. Na semen or the aquakuja no, or no person or say, or the akuja or muntino, yen adjin say, and Quebec can be beer beam into Sancro for so the kuja or more, or memo or letter. first, second, third, one here, now if you almost watch you to prison, in the moment, so you will swear, say an oath to another, you swear to the shrine, and son, why the working with Numas intentions and who's so be a so baby answer, a better boy, a good tiso, a honest saying, and more question mark blue. So, best swear to shrine here, and I'm say, BBC now, here, and I said, true business, so baby, yes, I walk to prison, and also some codanching, which means, and I just say, what do I say? Miss Bell, what do I say? Must ampen for now, or money a fear indeed. Nay, then a fear becan was him be more. Which minute tornado be so camera becan. A brow do was a macum penny for. So when you are some now, do I some come up pennies a penny come on. That's a penny do I say mawa. How come say we best baby as a baby Joe when you must baby dear tema baby church. Was a mon penny for him that the mood deal. Nessa would need the of sending the fatako man penny for. So monka was a mouth. Enti na fe wu nchirechire mu na wu chirechire mu a tornado su di atema wo pese ni party ase no. What is the sense in that? Enti na zempanyifo na de komo omo sebe omo so omo nye de omo mfa asem no foolish case ana omo ntimi nya hu enti na wana wo be hu bi na wo de komo omo koyede ti asem bu ha na ha de wo de ti asem bu ha ti
to stop your name being mentioned anywhere.
Ti
Majaya, I'm trying not to allow people around me anymore. And number 2, problem they be a bomidin, they be a bomidin, they be a bomidin. With the common and animal penny for say, almost share no more money ending.
Problem Ben or
it's like anytime if Fia gets a chance to go on radio or to sit on her social media page, she has to say something about me, insult me or betray someone to me. So, media cotton and animal penny for him, same person a jai.
Anytime, anytime a fear wine,
a fear trust nigga.
If you are doing a baby,
yeah, meaning I am for pen. I'm a for you separated. But I say anytime mass and be by a train be out in a bedroom or in a no too much. So I just obeyed the matter and I was up at cancer matter. So and is yeah, so maybe no my eddie, not chumuko, na sayaba, maybe not chumuko, but I don't remember so I may feel say I was say a jai.
Into then where I found.
Into media cotton and an penny for him say, I same way. Mundi mami na esumcha
na nanom panyifo na wan monne na nanom panyifo
me hu se na me kan ase obi ayi obi na odi akokot na yewe
wa
na yewe
traditional court
traditional court
I we here Accra
Accra
Jamestown
yes because of honey tete me home ra na me jitum intimida ko na ye we no fie intuka na yewe an say na fie me da koto manim say asem we akos watching pese so twa enti me da koto manim henceforth no me nji obi antomo biom because me nim say me nim ahwe yeye and na me nim say na yedi asem sie enti no I can't accept anybody
na mo adenom yo na
so what's the process if you are supposed to do
basically they say na yeye court no on be send a letter
okay
now mama the period of time be to so one respond there on Messan send another letter. Third one, I think they will arrest you.
Now you will no arrest.
Yeah, they work with the police.
It's the oldest court before our courts the Bayern. You know the ancestral.
They said the omo person much say a old traditional court be a hodada. Now on Miss Bird there were G and no two because they work with the police. That's our traditional for no way. How do they deal with people? And no confirmed by the government. And I say, Omwana afakwenye bisu no omudi omumre bi e wo mo town na hokeke. Me mentias you. Traditionally no e wo dada ya tiase me sure say nananom kan tete no ya ade ne de wakọ aboso mfie ni ade no that is traditional way. But now no she's saying something say they deal with police. How? There's a police for no say o mo ne nananom abosomsomfo bi ni traditionalists bi o mo wo mentias you. Eya hemfo sem bi no mo ni police mentias da. Okay, me fan say me mentias. Ba wo a wo ti di bi a wo de wo tiase, wo a wo ti Jamestown, e bi a wo de wo tiase. Nti say wo de asa akwa sa mpanyimfo no mo so aye say traditional court to be e no mo deal ni ade. Eti how come say wo ni tornado sa betena ase a wo be bo nchirichiri mu. Say the be nipa betiase ana sesei. E na die nti susu nti afia hwase ni ge wonya letter na wonya letter. because me who say Fearstress nigga so about be video bi a was say our fans bi wo Jamestown to ono so eko me hade was say our fans bi e wo Jamestown inti okwa che o made e Fearstress nigga di ni hwade bi wa.
Please take care of the house.
Fearstress.
Mamba, where are you going?
I'm going to Jamestown to donate to my fans there.
Artists
and the fans say with Jamestown. Almost also including the chiefs and the queens and the people of Jamestown. So I'm storming Jamestown and hey, maybe if I who you know come one for try YouTube and then we interview.
So
bitch.
Let's say ahano ohia or chichi. Miss Bell. Chichi or chichi ni na person che say. Na che say ahano on kasa ye kra na me na kire me say Jamestown wasem na wo kasa o de akwa traditionalist bi ni ade nyina eyalo. Because ono person che say according to Miss Bell no. So the kokoma Jamestown for traditional for bi o money court ni police for ne ba akwa. First, you be my letter. Into your Fearstress nigga when your letter and I win your letter. I want to maintain. Secondly, you see you so you bet me akwa chiwatu. Nature say ensem no moko hwehwe mu afie di be mana say odifo. Ana ehwehwe mu no kosi say ana aye foolish case. Me maintain ase wa ha. Traditionalism panyumfo no so omoji case no. Oma ba be kasa de. Ana se oma baba be confirm ana oma timi kura to nsa afrafia abisa ne sa case no e hono me mentiasi o na empanyumfo no ni die kwa so se de asem komo omo a ye se timi kogina baabi se di ho atem. Miss Bell here, this is wrong. If your mind, your mentality is like Miss Bell ewa are very wrong. Unya asem na wo de koma empanyumfo bi so omo kan wa asem ma na omuni wasem maw e wo mra kwan so na yie ento yie na hu se wudi bemu a yensan kogina baabi nyedidi nyesa na mpanyimfo no behu no se asem na wo de bre wo mo no o pa akire se woni mu asem ka na wonim se obetimi aye waade de a o de bre ye be ye de even Bible mu mpukura no twedi ampo Nyankopon twere konkron no peso kire se wohunu wa asem ka na se wohunu won tokwako a Nyankopon onku bi mawo enti ne watena se yehunu se entokwa no ne nsem na ekoso se ye ntro bi ana propaganda bi ne yetwa to so a enye ne kwan so no enti no de ni die kwan so e de akwa akoma ba bia ye tete wo a wogi sa amra ne di no de akwa akoto omani na afi usu be di atema ede enti in this case ni sa ampanyufo no ba case we mu a they will ask you Miss Bell say oni tornado video na mo ye na mo didi Miss Fearstress nigga atem. What is the essence of that? Because over here I want say initially group we no ma di agrache Miss Bell delay Fearstress nigga ene na tornado o ma di agrache na enchichi mu aide aba na enchichi mu na e bai no over study ni ye a on say Abrantia ye friend tornado no ma menhwe na menka tornado ho asem kakra na ye nto aso ye mfa tornado mra o he Abrantia odamenchi tornado ya tornado ye obi a anka initially enko ye obi a we straightforward said the ade ne tie ne sa na oka no on pese obeyi bi afiri on pese obeka bi aka ho as said the what tie ne said the hu no sa na oka no because I think said that guy believes in the law of karma. And also he believes say he don't really believe in the Bible and Christianity concept, but follow the principle of life, the good way and positive way. That is how I see him. But say we a bear ma na say ukoto e ma gudie mu a wan twe ya e ma no betwetwe. And a man no betwetwe a wan twe ya sebe obeba be yokwase a wodantem because e ma kasa ene ma pe chiniegie bi ene ma pe mansu bi ene ma pe agro bi a wo be ma wontimi ni sa agro ni bi nti no be akoda mfimfin enti ayama ya se tornado no ne delay kodi nkomo no makon no akohye Fearstress nigga nchen no ne Fearstress nigga so akon no adwene akohye Miss Bell nchen who knows so ne Miss Bell so kon henfa bi no okọ because me kai bre bi etwam na Fearstress nigga be ka che tornado se wo tornado de wo no what they are chill kontu kokra baba because omuko anu asaba and I feel those things to do decide say onye de ontimi ni agro bim saa na ma gudie ni sitie se wo ye bema na ukoto emamu because tornado no odamamu tornado any Miss Bell any a fear shots nigga ensa ni delay saa ma me say oda omuntem no mu di agro nti imagine osusu wo ye bema ukuta mema hu mosu ni bi even posa amanfo say udi wotu se we gay say na e ho ne de medium hu gay partner bi antino yentimi criticize wo ba se wokoto man tem sa menua ye betwetwe wo say because o magudie no wo no be ma wontimi ni sa agro ni bi no matter how I try so be able to so ba wontimi ni sa ma agro no enti yesa na akwa yete se de manfo kan no be ma kotobunku enti yesa wo te hu free sa ama no enye sa wo be di agro mu ana wo no ba no akwa no ba. So what I say, the tornado hold the side and the American or your justice was some things to be. But what got man tell me into the channel to also be no can send brew because or person can a favor Miss Bell now or support to Miss Bell normally take a fierce nigger. But this is not right. So person will put you a man right now, person will put you into some peaceful way. I dare soon you about what be my crown better wa. And Miss Bakuni Bakunya to kwa ugo jineti so jagum. Esa na tembia wa ye bema kwasia nti oba we ni we ku na okugina we echi esa we obema kwasia nti you have to be very careful how you deal with women se wo da mantem a we ye bema na wo da mantem na ntokwa ba na wan hwe ya me ka kire wan hwe ya man be gina ba bi no wo ye jimifo because people are looking at you as a man obetimi control obetimi systemize man yi ense wo be kwa kwakuji omo. That was just by the way with tornado. Now let's come back to Miss Bell and the Fear Schwarzenegger to conclude the whole issue because I'm pesa se mu bet in team pre. Nipa or town ono na ade bowoto anase ade ta ho na nya otimi ka kire. Nipa bi a odo no sometimes ade bi bowoto na nya no ho a ne kan ye ne din because okokan wodim say madam fu ni bubefu ebe ne ya ne ade ntino ontimi enka ba won tamfo de ananipa a ompe oyi no otimi pointi something that is wrong in you ema wani da ho ba odofu ntimi nka entimi in this case na nyese bia me ka Miss Bell na me do Fear Schwarzenegger ana me pe Fear Schwarzenegger asem ntimi kan favor of Fear Schwarzenegger ana a Fear Schwarzenegger enemy will be bia na se woni mu nkomo bi ntino me pese me ka favor no and yes I don't have problem with any of them and I don't even want to have problem with none of them but no credit da wa na waka. Miss Bell ni nyuma na woni a Fear Schwarzenegger e deal no. Even if a Fear Schwarzenegger e propaganda no twa ntroto so a you don't have to hire somebody and now obema tornado beba mu be die Fear Schwarzenegger atem a e di different case beba. And as a wasem na woni a Fear Schwarzenegger e deal no e ye no krese woni ne boyfriend man di tikura no a na mu di nkomo bi wo akire a boy no betimi afa ho asa akoka akire Fear Schwarzenegger. Because say a Fear Schwarzenegger na ye ne boy na no ne roni a say oba wo side na eni ma bi touch ma pe boy no betimi asa afa ho abeka akire because already wo da mumu yenu muntem nti obetimi awe mumu yenu nyina na waka mumu yenu nyina tira bom na sebe na mumu yenu nyina ma baba ba ye jibifo nti ye den ya be ma no be sa aka bibia akire Fear Schwarzenegger se de wunim se be ma no be keka ansem kire wo no sa ansem kro no obetimi asa akaka bibia akire Fear Schwarzenegger because wo da montem bema obeda mam yenu ntem opeso owe omo wontimi nka no kra nkire mumu yenu nyina o keka mumu yenu nyina etibo it is a way on say wrong. And who knows in Sema or Kachem? That was the same thing that happened between you and Tracy. And someone Bema or Damu Tembe Kachere, Miss Bell. A different from a Sema Kache Tracy. It yes, I not come with your boom. It is a way a man we are young for, and I'm more. And I'm for Fabina Bema be better montem. I'm one extra careful because the guy now all play Mumi Muntem. Obeti me aka Mumi Mutia boom. Because story now be catch you in a different story. And when to me kind of question chirem. In all this case, I think say Miss Bell, if truly pass out was a makoman penny for, and you know say one seminar walk on your rights, and then you don't want to play around with anybody, why do you still entertain tornado? If truly say also one person who be abenya yonkufa bi obi abeba onche bi mu a, why are you still entertaining tornado? Because you think say tornado have information of a Fear Schwarzenegger, which you use that information to counter a Fear Schwarzenegger, which is wrong. pese wo da ho so na wo te ho free sansensem no anka say we buy no you wouldn't even allow Tornado to come in. And then if you want to even explain it's just a short video or what even you did in UTV, just short to tell people to explain some certain things and go scot-free. But now you sit with Tornado to fight a fierce nigga. For me, it makes no sense, and it was not the right way. But I mean, I just want to know if truly so the command Jamestown penny for now. Because when who say fierce nigga, as you walk Jamestown, aqua ya do you be a man fancy because of Muhiano. Until you so do Jamestown, I bet you know, and I ain't chino. And as I say, now can I no cry and I no cry. But sometimes when mommy and fan of crying, that baby da. Now mommy and face fact no. This time around, it seems say Miss Bell is getting it all wrong. Miss Bell need Tracy nyano. Among full bugu Tracy so sa. But this time with the fierce nigga there, Miss Bell, you have to sit back and just recover your mind from what happened between you and Tracy before you retaliate with even a fierce nigga. Because in same bibria, but even when it Nigeria they no credit so pending. So why do you still involve yourself and still make people to put fire on this? Because a good party, NDC, it's a very good party. So don't try say Obama would deny it. IBB because Miss Bell, your name is not bad. And I will have age now one only a fierce nigga you know. With your age, you know, even forgetting about makeups on the ground, you guys look good and look very attractive. You know, this is how you sell yourself to the public. You know, for me, it makes no sense until you know how you present your things and then know how you involve Tornado and stuff like that. Because Tornado now didn't be shimo. As an amoma Tornado about yesterday. Obema kwasi bia na say bema kotobonko bi but bia na entisa ono no kro be kentine sometimes no baba ede baba be ejumi for me you me dem aka ni hia na achro partners na adwene ho because me sa na metena se amedwene ho amehu matena se adwene ho say no say the name is equal no sa na tie what I say man dwene ho as the say no I think say a fear is on a comfortable lead and yes say bia me support no emum say the me hu no sa na me ka chiro no tina me ka chiro say we can disagree to agree. Adwene eni ba ko food eating ibu ane de na adwene da ntimi tutu bi adwene ibisu ye kubi ibisu so ye momone ibisu ye Simon nti adwene en seda nti no se politics mu wonem be ya adwene a ebia na enkomodie fufuru mu ntimi ne ma anya adwene but eno no nkire se ye kontokwa e adwene kire de osu nim na so a kire wo adwene me de makani ya na a kire me de ane Peter no kire mu me mfisi fact no na fact no e reality ye hwe tap taps ye very 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 good and affordable. I will send this car. I call very fast. Try maybe a double. Try tap so and see very good. Other for who show about them in China? Almost in the near CIGF. The near papa because the inside can sika a master the one first can go. Tap send. U boss wa neko. Phoebe any so we no mobile money so a question. Media any Peter noche. Say what I want him that face the facts and the fact in the bar. It me for fact in Niago. Me introduce tap send amount. Tap send baby. Minya ubetimi send usika afemu akomo bia e wo Ghana se de usipe no ti se de wo send text message I love you u send ya pa na edru try tap send re e ko fast pa enje wo akobam unyina fa akonche eno so enso wa o yeso ya fast pia no chi na wo na be ma bonus with £5 and €5 said the bear usu binya kakra de ahye wo hwe se wo send this ka akoma odofo bi na wa se nya bonus umpe wi na apede minua try tap send re and you fast papa senka bibi foforo wo be ka che fast accomplish tap send minua e kopa na try re